Katie and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the Tammy Show. So, welcome to a new vlog. And today is a Thursday. I just had tap. And now it's raining. Winter now, isn't it? You don't like the rain. I just jumped in that puddle there.
Like Peppa Pig.
Woo! Oh. Bye, birds. See you later. Hey. Hi. We are here at Babes. Hey everyone, so finished class and so good. We just got off the train. We are walking home. Hey everyone, so it's pink day today. We're wearing pink. It's so awesome.
Why are you wearing pink, Tamsin? Why?
Because it's Breast Cancer Awareness Month.
It is.
Day. Let's make it a month. Let's make it a day.
Day. Month. Let's give it a month.
It's a month and a day.
Donate to the Just Giving page that's down below.
Yeah, I'll leave a link down below. Been having a good day, Megan?
I've been having such a great day. I'm a bit tired, but
yeah, we got Jasmine.
we just had what's your name?
Jack, I think, for ballet.
Well, yeah, Jack for ballet. We have this new ballet teacher. He's awesome. Bye, guys. Yeah, but I just had like such a good contemporary lesson. It was so good.
Hey.
Hello. Ellie, you're wearing pink for Pink Day.
I don't know.
Whoa! I love Pink Day. It's Pink Day every day. Are you ready? Yay! We're wearing pink leotards for ballet. Are you excited for ballet?
So excited. I'm so excited to see Anna shine.
Hi, Tamsin's vlog.
Hi vlog, I'm wearing pink.
Yes, Will! And even though some people aren't wearing pink today, they still have pink in their hearts. Hey, Kaha.
I am wearing pink.
You're in pink. Hey!
Hi vlog.
Hey everyone, so we're wearing pink. This is my jazz outfit.
Very cute.
This is my going home outfit.
Hey vlog! Hey Zanzi!
I miss you all. I barely see you guys now.
Hi vlog! The one, yeah! Yeah! Say I want it that way. Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a high. Okay.
Tell me why.
Ain't nothing but a mistake.
Number 5.
I never
Wanna hear you say I want it that way.
It was number 6. Number 6.
Yay! Guys, look. If you look around, there's like loads of people wearing pink.
Look around.
Hey vlog! Yeah, this is where we are for jazz. Everyone getting ready. Hi to my vlog. Hi! That was really breathtaking vocals. So guys, today's been a really successful day. I have just done jazz. It was really fun. We did loads of cool stuff, new exercises. We did some turns actually, it was really good. Now I'm just waiting here because waiting for my shift at reception. Hey vlog!
Hi vlog.
Hey vlog!
Hello. Hello everyone. Have a good time.
Hello everyone, I'm now working in the reception. I can't believe I've done my first half term as a third year. It's actually crazy. Guys, we found out our third year musicals, all 6 of them. So you watch my video on what they are, because I'm not going to tell you right now. Bye, George.
Have a wonderful weekend.
That's bad luck putting up inside. Hey, Alice, you're back.
Hello again, Tamsin. I am here again. I've just finished my create rehearsals.
I love that.
And now I've just come back to return this
book.
book.
I've been given a job by Callum and it's admin work. I basically have a list of all the staff at Birds. Bye! Happy half term! Basically, I've been given a list of all the staff at Birds and then I create an account for them. So how cool is that? I hope I get it. I hope I get it. How many people does it need? God, I hope I get it. Guys, look, this is another thing I have to do. Working on reception, I have to make sure that my area is clean. Yay! Do you approve?
I approve strongly.
Recording Tamsin at work.
I just did Cleo's account.
She just did Cleo's account.
Yeah, I'm making every member of staff an account.
Okay. You did a great job.
I know I am.
Thumbs up.
Hey guys, I'm Lisa. Tamsin's just gonna get super. Okay, I need to go back to create. Hashtag love the fans. Bye. Oh.
Hey vlog. And pink shoes. Oh my gosh. That's so awesome. And you have pink in your hair.
I do. Yeah, it is pink day every day when you're me or you.
Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.